नमस्कार, मेरा नाम सचिन कुमार है। ये मेरी मदर, इनका नाम सुमित्रा देवी है। ये काफ़ी समय से DCMP से डिजीज़ से लड़ रही थी। यहाँ पे हम डॉक्टर सुब्रत दत्ता को कार्डियोलॉजी में काफ़ी टाइम से कंसल्ट कर रहे हैं। उन्होंने 1.5 साल पहले इनको हार्ट ट्रांसप्लांट पेशेंट कंसिडर करके इनको रजिस्टर किया था ट्रांसप्लांट के लिए। अभी 24 तारीख को ये डॉक्टर YK मिश्रा के अंडर एडमिट हुए हैं हार्ट ट्रांसप्लांट के लिए। 11 तारीख को इनको हार्ट मिला है जो गुड़गांव में, वो फिर 12 तारीख को सर्जरी के थ्रू इनको हार्ट ट्रांसप्लांट किया गया है। ट्रांसप्लांट के बाद मतलब अभी काफ़ी है इम्प्रूवमेंट, थोड़ा बहुत चलने भी लगी हैं, थोड़ी सी ठीक है कंडीशन, थोड़ा स्वेलिंग है बट वो डॉक्टर्स बोल रहे हैं कि ठीक हो जाएगा विद टाइम। कुल मिला के मतलब ठीक है। ट्रांसप्लांट के बाद ट्रांसप्लांट प्रोसेस भी हमारा मतलब नेग्लिजिबल वो था कि कोई प्रॉब्लम हुआ हो, ऐसा कुछ किसी भी तरीके का प्रोसीजरल या कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हमें फेस नहीं हुआ है हॉस्पिटल स्टाफ की तरफ से या किसी भी तरफ से। तो ओवरऑल इट वाज अ प्लेजेंट एक्सपीरियंस हमारी तरफ से। तो
आई एम डॉक्टर युगल मिश्रा, चेयरमैन Manipal Institute of Cardiac Sciences and Chief of Clinical Services, Manipal Hospital Dwarka. We at Manipal Hospital Dwarka performed our first heart transplant on 12th of November this year. The patient was 50-year-old female suffering from severe heart failure. She was on the follow-up of our hospital. The cardiologist put biventricular pacemaker to improve her heart function. For some time she had some relief, but eventually she started getting again the symptoms of heart failure and repeated hospitalization. She came to the service of Department of Cardiovascular Surgery. We admitted her and started giving the medical treatment, and eventually we put on to the intra-aortic balloon pump to give some relief to this patient. Patient had some relief. While she was waiting in the hospital, we did a right heart catheterization and we registered her into the NOTO for a recipient for heart transplant. She was waiting for 2 weeks in hospital but unable to get an appropriate suitable donor. Hence, we removed the IBP and with medical treatment discharged. While she was at home, we got a suitable donor. Hence, we readmitted her and evaluated. Our team went to the Gurugram hospital. They retrieved the donor heart. With the help of Gurugram police, green corridor was created and the heart was brought to the Manipal Hospital Dwarka, Delhi. We were already ready in the operating room. I, as a chief cardiac surgeon, examined the donor heart which was brought from Gurugram, and I found this suitable to implant. We removed the recipient heart and did a successful heart transplant in this lady. Patient remains stable during the surgery. The recipients which got a new heart started beating once we released the cross clamp, and slowly patient became stable. We closed the chest and shifted to the ICU. We kept on close monitoring and patient had a uneventful recovery. Today is a 16th post-operative day and she is now ready to be discharged from the hospital. She was put on to the appropriate drugs to manage probable rejections. The family is being explained about how to maintain the patient at home, and we are just waiting. Probably next week we will be able to send her home. For us, this was a great victory because in our first heart transplant, the success was there and patient shown a very good recovery. We hope that we will have a great heart failure program for surgical treatment in Manipal Hospital Dwarka.